All right, so you just got your UV printer, especially if you're one of those lucky people that just got their UV Make E1, then this is going to be the most important video that you watch this week. Let me tell you why. Because right now you're sitting in front of an insanely powerful machine. And the truth is that most people, because they're new to UV printing, have no idea how to unlock all the potential that these UV printers have. You might be asking yourself some questions like, how do I even print? How do I remove the background from this color image? How do I upscale images? How do I knock out certain colors and add new colors to my prints?
Tell me how!
Or you might just be staring at the screen of your brand new printer going, I have no idea what I'm doing. And that is why I am super stoked to be a part of UV Inkfest 2026, a 2-day online virtual event focused all around UV printing. That's right. At UV Inkfest, you're going to get access to so many awesome presentations all about UV printing, about file preparation, about business matters when it comes to what to make with your UV printer, and it's completely free, but you're gonna want that Pro Pass, and we're gonna talk about that in just a few minutes. Now, let me tell you a little bit more about UV Inkfest and what you can expect. So this is a 2-day power-packed online virtual event focused completely around UV printing. No theory, no fluff, just real practical education given to you by people who use UV printers every single day. And it's not specific to any one machine or another. Basically, what we're going to be talking about at UV Inkfest 2026 is how to stop playing around with your new UV printer and actually start putting it to work so it can start making you some money. So let's dive into that a little bit deeper. What am I teaching? So my class is going to be how to utilize ChatGPT to do some really cool tricks with your existing SVGs that you have laying around. I'm also going to be teaching how I use Photoshop to remove backgrounds and upscale my art before I print it. And I'm going to show you some really great tips when it comes to Adobe Illustrator on how I use that to lay out my artwork for print to cut using my UV printer and my laser. But it's not just my class that you need to get excited about. You've got some other heavy hitters like Josh Perry, who's going to teach you everything you need to know about getting great prints on glass with your UV printer. You've got Nate Polly, who's going to be teaching you all about printing in color on patches for hats, so you can start offering colored patches and laser engraved patches. And you've got Don Legatt, who's going to be teaching you a more business orientated course on how to turn your UV printer into a workshop income making machine. And there are a lot of other business courses in this online event as well. And personally, I'm just as excited as you are right now because there are definitely some classes in there that I'm going to be taking. Now that I've given you a little sneak peek of what this event is, let's talk about the free sign up versus the Pro Pass. So yes, this event is completely free and you can go and sign up using my link down below right now and just get the free version and get access to all these presentations. The trick is that to watch them all, you have to literally be in front of your computer all of those 2 days because you could only watch them live. Now, if you get the Pro Pass, which right now is only $47, this gives you lifetime access to every single one of the courses that are presented in UV Inkfest 2026. And that right there is the real value in getting the Pro Pass because you can go back and rewatch, flip around at your leisure. You don't have to be stuck in front of your computer watching these courses in order. It's cool that they're offering it for free, but seriously, the Pro Pass is the way to go. I've listed a link in the description below so you can go ahead and sign up today and either get the free account or the Pro Pass, but I'm telling you, just get the Pro Pass. You'll thank me later. In my opinion, you should definitely get the Pro Pass. $47, completely worth it for all these classes with lifetime access. If you do wait till the event starts, the cost goes up to $97 to get access to all those classes.
No, man.
So I would definitely take advantage of that early bird pricing Pro Pass right now. You know, I've only had my UV printer for a little over a year, and there's definitely some classes in there that I need to take to level up my game. So listen, if you just got your UV printer, you just got your UV make, this is pretty much a no-brainer option. You need to sign up for UV Inkfest and get access to all these courses. Why spend all that time, months and months and months, watching YouTube videos, trying to get up to speed when you can just get it all in one place? I've listed links in the description below so you can get signed up today for UV Inkfest 2026. I hope that I will see you there on some of the live events, and I hope that you hear what I had to say today about getting a jump start on your UV printing techniques so you can start making money with your UV printer right away. Seriously, sign up now. You're not gonna wanna miss this. So with that, I'll see you around on Laser Engraving 911.
Laser Engraving 9-1. One is the master, educator, dominator. Don't overcomplicate it. To just sit back and relax and get elevated.